Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today, October 22nd, 2025, we have two major stories today. A tragic road accident on the Kampala-Gulu highway that claimed 63 lives, and the ongoing trial of Dr. Riek Machar, which has just begun. Stay with us as we give you full detailed background and update. Before we start with this breaking news, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. We start today with very sad news. Early this morning at around 12:15 a.m., a terrible road accident happened at Kitaleba village near Asili farm on the Kampala-Gulu highway. A police officer confirmed that at least 63 people died and several others were injured. The accident involved 4 vehicles, 2 buses, one from Nal Star Coach and one from Planet Company, and a Toyota Surf and a Tata lorry. Tata lorry is also one of the car that caused accident. How it happened though? Preliminary reports say both buses were overtaking at the same time from opposite directions. This caused a head-on collision which led to a pile-up involving all 4 vehicles. All 63 people who died were inside the vehicles. Emergency team rushed to the scene, working to rescue a survivor and transport the injured to nearby hospital. Eyewitness report that some locals say the sound of the crash was very loud and people ran from nearby home to help. One witness said it was terrible. The buses came very fast. I saw people trying to get out, but many were trapped. It is very sad. A response from the authorities. Police are calling on drivers to avoid reckless overtaking and to follow traffic rules. They warn that careless driving led to tragedies like this, and more life can be lost if people do not obey the rule. Families are in shock. Some victims were traveling home late at night while others were on a business trip. Hospitals in the area are struggling to treat the injuries because of the large number of victims, according to the report. Authorities say they will investigate the accident fully. They also promise to increase patrol along the Kampala-Gulu highway to prevent such accident in the future. This is a reminder to driver. All drivers, slow down, drive carefully, and respect road rules. Your life and the life of others depend on it. Now let's move on to Dr. Riek Machar trial in Juba. Today, October 22nd, 2025, the trial of Dr. Riek Machar began. This is a case that many people are watching closely across South Sudan and beyond. Dr. Riek Machar, the former vice president of South Sudan and leader of the opposition, is facing charges that his supporters said are politically motivated. This trial is being followed closely by SPLIO supporters, political analysts, and ordinary citizens. What people expect on this trial? Many people have questioned. They want to know, will the court be fair? Will this trial affect peace and politics in South Sudan? What will happen to Dr. Riek Machar after the trial? Some citizens are worried. They said, we hope justice is done, but we are afraid this trial will be unfair and create more tension in the country. The trial comes at a time when South Sudan is still recovering from conflict. Dr. Riek Machar has been a key figure in peace talk in the past, and his supporters fear that political motives may influence the legal process. Analysts say the trial could have a big impact on the country. If handled fairly, it may strengthen justice, but if not, it could increase political tension and affect peace effort. Today, the trial started with the reading of charges and preliminary statement from lawyers. Security was tight around the court in Juba, and journalists from local and international media were present. Some of the people that were allowed to enter to the court. The reaction. Across social media, people are sharing opinions. Some support the court process, saying everyone should be accountable. Other criticize it, and saying that trial is politically motivated. This trial is more than just a court case. It is a reflection of the challenges South Sudan face in building justice and peace. The outcome will be closely watched by citizen leaders and the international community. In Upper State, a joyful story emerged on Tuesday, October 21st, 2025. 71 South Sudanese children were reunited with their mother in Riek County after being forcibly separated in Sudan. Last week, Sudanese authority deported 111 South Sudanese women, leaving many children behind in Khartoum. Today, 71 of those children returned safely. Some children, however, are still missing. Several mothers spoke about the difficult separation. One mother said, "I returned with my 4 children after they refused me the first time. A policeman beat me and refused to let me take my children, but thank God I'm back with the children now." Another mother shared, "When we returned to Khartoum, the children were in prison. My son had been forcibly conscripted into the army. I could not take him with me." A third mother explained, "I had 9 children. When I left, I found 3 and the other went to look for work. I returned with the 3. If I find another chance, I will bring the other back." The Rescue Mission, Stephen Elia, part of the emergency response team in Riek, said the team traveled to Khartoum to bring back the children. About 160 people returned safely, including children and mothers. Riek County Commissioner Ding Deng confirmed the reunion and thanks the UNHCR and authorities in Sudan for their help in returning the children safely. Here at Changfied, celebrate the reunion and urge authorities to protect families and children. Family belong together, and children should never face separation from their parent in dangerous situations. Chana jome chana link in content lat karudino wale. Kenya ambana je talk atin kon talk ray which to kon ke breaking news msho the lat ray which and binemi dor en shal ke Kampala but tatojian kandio ja ka South Sudan ko la Gulu highway jenda na balinga jet gwasme ka jawrana chalat warga meni ejen warga andan en shagor gwasadana shirike tuoktin warga me warga mi shagor ka tadan en shirike mo che tuoje ki chi torbiyeli shikarum ka je ray which and binemi torbiyeli shikarum kan torbiyeli to ka torbiyeli ti jaltla jalka warshir mangai kona ka basne ejen mi nakne ti jan bakalu de diokone ka ripon mi chalat ka jen warga en kona me chalano fatal road crash along Kampala Gulu highway at Kataleba village. Nerijan bakalu diokte shiliu areg medita long ngai kondiale. Awa torbiel rum ga ke awa ken jalkan ka peda long dia je torbiel dangwan ken kontin chirum rei wajen gwana mone. Kan torbiel dangwan ati ka do badana shalat awa ken jalkan ka peda long ko aware torbiel kan jalka war so mo ajen do badan en chiname chawda lat ke je. Ban jakula ngai gwasa me en wo torbiyeli rum kede kan bandan kon shirum awa ramkel balkan gir ko gir lakan dub lakan kamach no gwada dan chirike toktena wa kurun wang long na baka chirimen ci kon ling no won wa nal star coach kan planet mitek big planet company ke te yuta surf ke tata lori kedin kon shirum no gwada dan chirum tino no shine jen baka lori dio kan dial ci yeken ci tes ni ci geliu jeri podana chanong anu chine jen bakalu diok chikaliu en kajan lerana chalat ring medire long chere mangai kono na me be ke mu je kanu bina bikan liu ko do mishit kano amen biya kulo ngajene da dobre wichin binimi ka Kampala ke mijalna lana jal ka war ngai kona jal wara mo la tarbiyel bula ka jikano chikarudin den en bono kane but Riek toga ke jen de kolar shira mi war ko mi 12 am 12:15 am ke midnight no de kolar war mi dita long chi chang dar no ko report ya non gwasa me chala no eta waro no ka run wan ki ta wero ka weather la weather special gwa dan pai na pai kan ko jen gwa dan torbil kan kula jel ke je no ajen do badan en chare me chajalat ke je wa ring di long ne ti jen bakalu diok oh kane thongman chana nyago gwa me ka ler de dien ban right check a quick court case dum Dr. Machar an lat kare wichin wala Dr. Machar cha jojo gwan wo en wala ka chanyan dang rawi de ro ka pai wel won kin dang ro jan dang rawi de dich cha luk de cha nyago mto ko jere wich ka juba ban kula lan mandan en luk en etin kon shun kel ka Dr. Machar Kenya am Dr. Machar jen vice president dum South Sudan cha kule suspend Michela da no tele code bani tele jalwan ko de suspend chira mangai kon no ne jen wati ki immunity den no money wa jaga ko cha de woch no ka o bala Ramadan and la first by president but charge which anyway ko chikim yadi chala no ne me do badan wo keje ko jen baje nang re lok ta dan chikana lat keje de kon jome de kon ngai ka do badan che to keje ko ler mi go liang Dr. Machar kan ne dang baro to ko ken kanang badak tiken rate jena tama ka loka ka lugden cha to go ready dio je mi jira mi chite kon ne ken mi shika gode de ngaje no Riek Machar cha ja goen kan ji kwar no jene tiken ka tit ka tai dan ko to go je re we kan nasir gwaze shi na shika liutin de ni amen ngane nore wona ka gate sha bo ke kem koli kuma ken mi yadit Dr. Machar chila de gwan wo ne na me chi to ka Riek pan unfortunately kan netin konte cha jago dong de kalar me de kan lat no kan logo no bi kala lat kan lat cha ko jig by in action gwad mi mo chikor cha tokten chari ma char cha ko gwani no jene cha mobilization cha lat en team da ne cha kwani wa kan netin konte dong wokor but cha na me cha jai cha lat no ne me che tok but gor kan do mi mo me ba Dr. Machar ba je gwan ke je aki ba je yen ke je netin konte la regime la nekem yadit so mishira na me amle ro den tama men bana kula ngach ke jenta danen china ro ke je nwari ke supporter di al connection kel Riek Machar talaru na me politically motivated munyon je no Riek Machar kwa je target ko jen anwar ka nyok jen kwa je target bo ko ramudol na ka je ko di alat ke ti e dung queen kware loko by election ba je lat jenta danen gi kon kin yadi gore jen o der Riek Machar der party de ki bonda der je wak pin ki der je jago ba collapse lo cha je de support so guje je ano de kan wak pin lo jakane di alko bi kala jitar Dr. Machar ko cha Riek Machar cha je bil support a chang cha queen kwar ki election cha je lat te ramide chong ke Dr. Machar jen do badan en let ki mission ma ke je ban ngai kon diala no ti dial joy ke ngai ke jen o ti diala kon tok ke tilla siasa ki politik mi ge kono ne meba chi chong South Sudan ngo da ngai kon no kuna le recover ke luina na jo katai dan chi conflict ke civil war che to ke je me chi to ke 2013 kwala gwenye no de transitional government de jari alika but chikir chi willing ko but na mo ba accept Chikona ngaji no several times Dr. Machar la ja gorno der mal der jenong den ba block be la no ba mal no ba block ngai ke je bo ne dial content wind ko kene kon lat kamali eno Riek Machar e ready ko de peace de je implement medan me chagon de election de je lat chikir shelok ja do che extend to 2026 right now che kur che je tong nyok mogoro benaw buga training ne ko kor ngai kon siang kor by the way telem gam de ten kor la no ngene ka jom mishiro de lat kum ko kon linga wana mentama a cha jojo gwan wone na en kir shire de ko bi mal be jenon a jen menen ko na tama rolna guru jeno de mal de jalat batti kir che guru te mal mi de no a jen mi yena da kama char ke jen lugo jamani batti kana kulo drop ko shi general majud daga ci yire jen of course kor mi to la na la kana liu cirka kor pai to ci liu men commander men generally man kwa Riek Machar kwa la kam chunga je o gwade da ne nyin na te te control ke jiwich kene kume kene de control a cha Riek Machar cha de do get involved ka situation mi cha create kume ban ngai kire ano be Riek Machar be je blame la to mi te mi chodala that is why kan Riek Machar kan kir kan state no be Riek Machar be je gorno be je yen a je na ko yen Riek Machar ka Riek Machar ba ano kan le look den chai nangata jin ko nga jen innocent gurgaje alane diala content la South Sudan ko kaneka of course la ka cholo no kaneka lo tele rami mo meloke medala rame shiranda la de jeno kanenga kaneka but when it come ko chiran che dur che jalat medan shireng Machar guje no dur ka ne ko la jin nore dur don kum ko kum wona jen kanasira lo we nat we ka ladika but instead chilo jen jen ko beleneng nake. So today court hearing ga jawdana chalat ke je big focus ke te konde nyada chaga gwange je che konde yalla ngaje no chaga gwan man potkang chaga gwan man doblam man ne diala ko kene dang bade kan dial ano kan diken ke duir ke te ke evident chalat but support spila yo kata dana chika gwar ke je chika la do na me a politically motivated court hearing so ko kuje mo mechi kume she na me che je bu par che tare che je bu gwi gwe gen o dong bate ka tare ki rik te butu ko gwasen be ka cha gono te ke to rewi ka South Sudan but gorga gen o justice system ki ne kon lat ko ngot rewi ka South Sudan de ken mete ka chuon ki me jo chalo la togre de kan real ka especially special coding me charge de la di lat commercial ke hybrid code again tired an kuring Machar ko lar ge hybrid code again te ka longa ko be da Machar be je try ki be je try te ke be je nang re lok ka Machar Machar cha nang re lok nyu de jeno de kir be de je len nang re lok ko right now people are looking forward ko they can the background e to kor ke je kor to ge de kore which ka juba to ge de to goro de ka ngam to ge ka reason dien to ge jamone ni me dane kwa ku korko to ke 2013 up to now kana men address and the root cause of the civil war then it ji nyurten ban ngach jangai kan lode ngai kan mana to re ka ja anu ngum to ge this is a planet event me betu o Machar yale ka kan ri kontila jang te pinker mi yadit major to ok ni Machar shor bar kana gor no bella ramadana dong be te resistant to gen na chwane ga chwane ga rewi ke juba me chamal cha chol kana luk chamal cha jenok korami mo mi mengniji la ma kaniji so de cha ji de jogono jinti ke dur sori ga dan chi to ga nasir mu kwale lu gadmen wale jojen wo e kir te ka yekone but mo de tinan wo ngom bukulo to karing Machar tame mi cha jig dur ki kana jig dur so ti diara ti ke te tina rudin ke je amani international community bo taken bon wo mi cha woko ne me chala siyasa ki chala politic an yereng Machar mi ki lu na me ngum gu yene ka obete ke South Sudan bo jojo gwano South Sudan betirering to mon unless shikir ke wi de chenyo ko Machar je so na me ameditin ki mi la rode mi de kon dial de kon tekangaitin chana la ren jogwas me chana jeling ka kwi gan tin kon tin chala do cha jakob je ke chi manaken gati cha lugo no kam ko manake rewi ka katum ka Sudan gati ke gat South Sudanese rewi ka panal ban jome ban jeling Kenya kan kono right jen kwi gan ti garti ti sha luotin garden baro wi de kel ta South Sudanese children ti ja ko jekan ka she man ken nyok dorshal ka ran kanti gwan mi mo cha ka kep ko bomtin ki cha ga deport kan man gan kan lu ko jen wode kan gat ken de kan kanan Kenya pan ka je chana je ngaje gwan wode en wona na cha Sudan ki Khartoum cha international airport cha je book nedin shal ka rapid support force chicken Khartoum chikana book international airport chala charge resume tin but right now chala charge book ken ka drone alo korngode dide kor mi dit ware gwadana chikana book tin chika titi wan ba chikan ga dak kan rapid support force cha gurno kan de take a base ki airport mede work rewika Khartoum ka du koru kan kamuka waka ko gwade chang me paiwo chala do chire nyal che nyur che to la bonyi tin dit kon but right now chalo ka kan chicken airport chicken nyogum bokane kwana ben ka mtwogane ka penal state ka jom chala de jikume chala do ne wa shi South Sudanese ni chika gat te konde ya banpin re wujin chwal ke Khartoum chicken ka nunga ta makaran gwa de chang ye paiwe chala do ne cha mana gan cha ka ko Khartoum de la South Sudanese ne dial ajin wore jin jang ajin tat anaran cha ja kef cha gat ken cha ka luk cha ka yen cha kem ka cha la re baske cha ga nan karan me shi ben karan china bura jeno ka gat kane ko cha ga deport many shop ko koru do welkel kan te ko ne cha kep ko bom la South Sudanese women ja ke bom cha bu European karan and when Machar medan e nonke la envoy e kuna ko le kep cha bitije kume South Sudan no ka gat ken kane ko chika complain chala do gat chika dot ka katum chawdo mi jogo no ka ngum bay nga gat pinyo ka ba man ken ba ka no shudu machala do ne kanere kone te galwang la authorities chika police nitin content bi me kan ka na ka bom cha jo no nan ka cha jo ka gwanta me menati ka lo jok bi kan gat ken bi kan ko no ko ne me benong ni rik chuman chu lo jok ajen mo gari jen baro ide kelo wa ka nyoko mununga ka lo ka jok so chilo jen chate the long ko chi gat ken kan ga jek batanen kan gat ken ga jek wa gat tanen cha lo la dej ka alo ke Sudan army right now lo ke di ni Sudan tanin kan ke jek man gan tang ken chi rien rit ke titken ku kan goten content che gat ken chi ko ten ke joran ji kan lat but maintain ko ken chi ka gat ken ji kan ga jek lo mat gan dial kon chaw jek ken ka gat jen baro wi de kel ka ta sandi and they are missing am enemy dong chi kan lo jok mi chi mal chele ben ano bi kan gar to bi kan ko nyom non kan ka ajen dan le ro dan tamare wichin winemi ka kartum na chu kan gat kap ke ji Sudan ka le ke lo ken ke di ni sa jo me cha jo ko ni no de jo me de laria ka ta dana shari ko me chai lat ke je ran county commissioner do bran chora ke je county ran county commissioner chala ding deng chela den wo cha ga ti cha ga jako bi ge she man ken karam lo ga long ka je UNHCR kan authorities tin tere ke Sudan cha jo mo cha jala ken no ga de jen baro wi kel shi ka shof safely and tema ka re which ka panal jo me jen dana gor no de nyaga kon kel mi jira mi jidid gwasme gor jen o jender channel de je subscribe de support you know de tin kon dong de channel support ke je de ka ngach so chuje poro jeno jen be subscribe ka bi notification bell bi turn on comment break be choma la chupuji bi atakama bye bye.